For the purposes of our helicopter inquiry project, we conducted 2 separate investigations. Each investigation was controlled to have only a single variable. Data was recorded, results were analyzed, individual conclusions were reached for each investigation, and a general conclusion was reached. For investigation number 1, 3 separate helicopters were created using the same design and same measurements. The only difference was the material from which they were created. This left us with the variable of the type of material that was used for construction. Our problem for investigation 1 was, which material will cause a paper helicopter to fall the slowest? We hypothesized that the construction paper helicopter would fall the slowest. To conduct the investigation, each helicopter was dropped from a height of 2 meters. 3 trials each were conducted for each helicopter. A video record was kept of the trials. Descent time was measured and recorded, and the results were graphed and interpreted. Here are the results for our helicopter investigation 1. The construction paper helicopter had an average descent time of 1.58 seconds. The notebook paper helicopter had an average descent time of 1.34 seconds, and the tagboard helicopter had an average descent time of 1.65 seconds. What follows is a video of one of the trials of the tagboard helicopter. Tagboard trial number 3. 3, 2, 1, drop. Time. Based on the results of our first investigation, we concluded that of the 3 tested materials, the tagboard results in a helicopter with the longest descent time. We do want to be cautious though, as there is very little difference between the descent time of the tagboard helicopter and the construction paper helicopter. For investigation number 2, 2 helicopters were created using the same materials and the same design, but with a noticeable difference in size. We were therefore left with the variable of the size of the helicopter. Our testable problem was, which size of paper helicopter will descend the slowest? We hypothesized that the larger paper helicopter would descend the slowest. The procedure for investigation number 2 is very similar for number 1. Each helicopter was dropped from a height of 2 meters. 3 trials each for each helicopter. A video record was kept. Descent time was measured and recorded. Results were graphed and interpreted. Here are the results for helicopter investigation number 2. Our small helicopter had an average descent time of 1.89 seconds, while our large helicopter had an average descent time of 2.19 seconds. What follows is a video of one of the trials for our large helicopter. Testing variable size, large one, trial number 3. 3, 2, 1, drop. Time, good one. Use this as trial number 3. Based on our data for investigation number 2, we conclude that of the 2 tested sizes, the larger size results in a helicopter that descends more slowly. Taking together our 2 separate investigations, we reach the general conclusion that of the variables tested in these investigations, the size of the helicopter has a greater effect on descent time than does the material the helicopter is made from. Please keep watching for some sample videos of some of our trials from the investigations. Are you ready? Time. That'll be trial 2. No worries, whenever you're ready. Time. Construction paper. 3, 2, 1, drop. Time. Doing tagboard trial number 2. 3, 2, 1, drop. Time. Testing variable size, small one, trial 3. 3, 2, 1, drop. Time. Good one. Use this as trial 3. Testing variable size, large one, trial number 1. 3, 2, 1, drop. Time. Good one.